New words and expressions. Twins.
Twins.
Lawn.
Lawn.
Soccer pitch.
Soccer pitch.
Feather.
Feather.
Weight.
Weight.
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Pants.
Pants.
Exercise.
Exercise.
Point 1. Phrasal verbs are a very important part of English. Native English speakers often use phrasal verbs, because they are short and efficient, so learning phrasal verbs can help you to understand what native speakers are saying. Most phrasal verbs are used in spoken and written English, and can be used in both formal and informal situations, such as, at work. Phrasal verbs are either separable or inseparable. Unfortunately, there is no rule that will tell you if a phrasal verb is separable or inseparable.
Examples of separable phrasal verbs.
It's her bed. She is cleaning it up now. Clean up means to make clean and tidy.
She is breaking the egg down to make a cake. Break down means to separate.
She's putting her pants on. Put on means to wear.
Examples of inseparable phrasal verbs.
She always calls on John to fix her car. Call on means to ask.
She is asking for a job. Ask for means to want.
He is looking after his plants. Look after means to care. Definition. Adverbs of time are words or phrases that refer to definite time as today, or indefinite time as nowadays. Use adverbs of time usually at the end of the sentences.
It's her bed. She is cleaning it up now.
Are they playing chess?
No, They are playing soccer.
She is asking for a job at the moment.
Is he exercising?
Yes, he is doing exercise.
She is breaking the egg down to make a cake.
She is using a feather to write at present.
Is he looking after his plants?
Yes, he is.
He is trying to use chopsticks at this moment.
Is she putting her pants on?
Yes, she is.
Is he reading the book?
No, he is burning it. Listen to the conversation and repeat it many times. Notice the use of action verbs and present progressive.
Conversation 4. Where are the twins?
They are playing outside. They are playing soccer with their friends. They are using the front lawn as a soccer pitch.
Are they having fun?
They are having a lot of fun. They are exercising, so they are burning lots of energy. I think they are trying to lose weight.